Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptolina channel. Today I will show you interest future strategy. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group where I share all my trades for free. Let's get started. The relative strength index is a technical indicator that measures the momentum of his security based on its closing prices. This indicator is officially one of the most popular trading tools out there, along with stochastic MACD and moving averages. It does a quite good job at indicating when the securities prices overbought or oversold, helping trades make their trading decisions. So overall the indicator is pretty legit, but what if I told you there is another improved version of the RSI that works 10 times better and it's much easier to read? This version is called the Rainbow Adaptive RSI, and in today's video I will show you a trading strategy with this indicator that will make you serious profits. I will also do my backtesting to find out how well the strategy performs in different market conditions. Alright, so we're currently looking at the price of Dogecoin USD on a 5-minute time frame, and now let's go ahead and add and match indicator to the chart. So Rainbow Adaptive RSI by Lux Algo, make sure you save it to your collection. Right away we can see that it's a really cool looking indicator and it's quite different from the regular RSI. This escalator uses an adaptive moving average as input for another RS isolator and aims to provide a way to minimize the impact of retracements over the escalator output without introducing significant lag. The indicator can be used like any normalized oscillator, but unlike a classical RSI, the oscillator doesn't converge toward 50 with high length values. This is caused by the RSI using a smooth input. The trigger line is a smooth RSI using an EMA as input and won't remain as near to 100 and 0 as the main oscillator. As we can see, when these two lines cross each other, the indicator prints a tiny circle. We're going to be using this tool as a first confirmation indicator. By the way, the inputs are on default, so how do we actually enter long and short positions using this indicator? So for a short signal to be valid, the indicator must first get into overbought area, and as soon as it gets out and prints a new circle, this is going to be a signal for us to take a position. For a long signal, the indicator must first get into oversold area and then get out and print a new circle. So now you have an idea on how this indicator works. Now let's go ahead and build that trading strategy. For that we need to add 2 more indicators to the chart. Now add in an input section, let's add an over EMA. We're going to set its length at 50. Also, let's make some adjustments to the trend meter. These indicators will help us minimize a lot of false signals issued by the RSI. Okay, now let's understand the exact rules for the strategy. So for a buy signal, the following conditions must be met. First, the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA. Second, the rainbow RSI must issue a new buy signal. For that, the RSI line must get into oversold area. Then it has to get out of that area and then cross this moving average. As soon as the lines cross each other, a circle will appear. And finally, to confirm the entry, the trend meter has to print 5 green dots. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing low, and for this strategy we're going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk. If the RSI issues a new long signal but the 50 EMA is still being below the 200 EMA, you don't wait for them to catch up, you simply skip the signal. So the idea behind the strategy is this. We first waiting for the trend to be confirmed and then we enter the trade at the pullback. Let's understand the short position. So first, the 50 EMA must be below the 200 EMA. Second, the rainbow RSI must issue a new sell signal. For that, the RSI line must first cross above the 80 level, then it has to cross it downwards and then also cross the smooth line. As soon as that happens, a tiny circle will appear, and for a final confirmation, the trend meter must print 5 red circles. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing high, the take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. If you want to increase your odds even more, avoid any signals that happen on massive candlesticks like this. These sharp moves usually result in pullbacks. Alright, let's see one more short example. Here we see that the downtrend is confirmed by the position of this moving average. The RSI got overbought, and then it issued a new sell signal, and then trend meter confirmed it. Obviously, there is no strategy that would work 100% of the time, and this one is not an exception. That's why we need to do our backtest and to find out its true win rate. Alright, I just finished backtesting. The results are crazy good. I found those 100 setups within 3 months. Out of 100 trades, we have 69 wins and 31 losses. The profit and loss is also looking pretty good. We increased the account size by 310.94%. The profit factor is 3.34, and we had 8 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses. So yeah, the strategy is doing pretty good. However, I must mention that all the backtesting are unique, and don't base your investment decisions on of this advice. You must forward test the strategy first with paper money before you start trading. Also, the profit and loss will be different when trading live because of spreads and fees, so please be aware of that as well. Alright traders, it's all for now. Make sure you like this video if you found this information useful. By the way, if you're looking for more trading strategies for crypto, check out this playlist right here. It's all for now.